Good evening, everyone. Welcome to radio7play.com. I am your moderator for today on May 19th, 2015. Let me start off by saying I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before trading any stock or options. Trading stocks and options require lots of risk. Okay, so today we're going to be going over the OTC and the options setups given to our members here at Radio Silent Play. We're going to go over first ticker symbol FORC, Force Minerals Corp. This is a stock that was sent out and was given on the weekly watch list. Gave an opportunity to enter as low as this 0.0013, 1.0014 level. Okay, we had accumulation here. We talked about it in the chat room. Also, we posted it on the weekly watch list. And they gave an opportunity to enter in this box pattern. Okay, today we had just a big breakout. Okay, we had a nice rally here on the stock. Okay, what we're looking for tomorrow is a potential close above that 0.0037 level. That was today's high. Okay, what I think we may see, okay, is another close at or near the high of the day and maybe a consolidation. So how you can look about getting into the stock tomorrow is you want to kind of look at what the stock opens up. Okay, so let me give you an example. If the stock opens up at 0.0035 and we see a higher low, okay, what you want to make sure is if you enter the stock, you want to make sure you place your stops at the opening price. So if the stock opens up at 0.0035, okay, and then rallies to 0.006 or 0.008, what you want is for that stock to close above that 0.0035 if you're going to hold it, okay. I think that we're going to test this potential move here, okay. We got a little bit of a gap up here at that 0.0065 to 0.007 level, okay, and you got a little bit of a gap fill here, okay, at that 0.006 level. So I think that we're going to see 0.006 tomorrow, okay. This is a Bitcoin stock, okay. What we're hearing around in the big board markets is a new ETF coming out for the Bitcoin. As you can see, there's, or as many traders noticed, or anybody who follows the big board markets or just the monetary policy in general, we're noticing that the US dollar is pulling back. Whenever you have the US dollar pull back, different currencies, also gold, silver, okay, and other competing currencies, okay, which is Bitcoin, they tend to rally, okay. So these stocks usually trend in that fashion. So what we're looking for tomorrow is a close at or near high of the day and maybe a bullish flag consolidation for a potential move to that 0.01 level. Okay, the stock closed and held, okay, its highs. So I think that we may see a continuation into tomorrow. Just a great trade from that 0.001314 levels, given it gave an opportunity for traders to trade the stock on the way up. The next stock is Mcgi. Okay, this was a pattern trade, which I've mentioned before. We have traded it before. The stock released its 10K, so it's updated its filings. Okay, share structure remains the same. Okay, it gave an opportunity to enter as low as 0.001. That actually triggered, and we hit a high of 15, closing at 14 with a bullish reversal candle. If you look here, this is what I call the scene of the crime, okay, or return to the scene of crime. The reason I say that is because every time it hits this level at 12, you see a huge bounce, okay. See, you hit this 12 level, you had a bounce up here to 0.003. You hit this level here, you had a huge move to 0.0045, and so on. So this stock has bounced considerably at or near these ranges, okay. So if you notice, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, on 5 occasions, this stock has bounced at these levels. So I expect this to be another time where the stock bounces, okay. If you see here, okay, you have accumulation and distribution coming up, okay, and indicators are showing a reversal, okay. So I want traders to keep an eye on the Mcgi. This is a low share structure stock that can actually, you know, see. I think that this is going to hit 0.003 to 0.005 at some point. Okay, so I want traders to just keep an eye on that, because if you notice, every time it hits this level, okay, you see a high. Okay, so this is a pattern trade. This is one of the safer trades to get into. Okay, the next stock is Katx, Katx. Okay, this is a mining company that has since post reverse split. Okay, this stock, if you notice here, it's posting a nice, okay, consolidation over here, and we just had a breakout or a box pattern breakout. Okay, this gave an opportunity to enter as low as 11.12. Okay, and then now the stock has broken and closed at the high of the day. The next resistance or the path to least resistance is 24. If you do break this 24 level, okay, you have upside potential, okay, about right here to this 0.004 to 0.005 level. So you have plenty of room here. And if you break this level, okay, I would not be surprised to test this level here to 0.01 to 0.02. What you're seeing here is a bit of a rounded bottom. Okay, the stock is still oversold. Okay, so I want traders to keep an eye on the Katx. Okay, the stock closed at the high of the day on significant volume. Okay, the stock trades extremely thin, so just keep an eye on the Katx into tomorrow. The Libe, okay, this was a stock that couldn't hold its 0.001 support, actually broke down, and traders that understand the 50% retrace level from 52-week previous lows understood to enter this stock at 0005, which some did. Okay, today we hit a high of 0.0011 for 100% move. Now the stock closed at 10. What you want to see is higher lows. So if you want to enter this stock and you want to limit your losses, look for that 0007 to 0009 entry. If you stop close below 0007 on 2 consecutive closes, that's about 25 to 30% risk. I think we may test this 15-17 level. Okay, so keep eyes on Libe. Okay, the Cctl, this was a stock that actually triggered not too long ago, gave it an opportunity to enter from 19 to 20. We hit a high of 34, okay, for a nice 50-60% move. Then the stock reversed, gave an opportunity for that re-entry at 0.0015 low, and today we hit a high of 0.0026, close to 60-70%. I still feel this stock has plenty of room to go, and it's actually percolating right now because you're seeing the stock heat up. If you notice here, okay, this is about to flip. Okay, right here, if you notice, the indicators are showing a reversal. So watch that 0.0034 break. If you break that 3.4 break, I would not be surprised if we test that 0.0076 level. And we just have huge room for this 0.02 potential. So I do like the Cctl continued, all right? If you looking at this box pattern, this is your entry levels, and you have a stop close below that 15 level. So I like the risk reward here. Okay, moving on to the next stock is Ifxy. Pretty similar trade to the Cctl. Okay, you're seeing these beautiful bullish reversal candles here. Every time it touches that 12, it's giving the opportunity for traders to add a 12. Okay, and the stock continues to close. What we're looking for is this pivot, this box breakout here. Once we break above this box, you have a path to least resistance up here to that 0.005 to 0.007 level. Okay, just a beautiful trade. Okay, now moving on to the small caps. The Extr, okay, gave an opportunity to enter at the lows on this pullback. Okay, gave a low of $2.50, and then today it hit a high of $2.65. So watch this consolidation here. I do think that we're going to break this $2.70 range and a potential gap fill here at $3. Okay, as you notice that OTCs start lagging, they're bringing a lot of opportunity here for these small caps. If you notice here, okay, this is a beautiful reversal here. Okay, you're seeing a nice reversal here on the Extr, so you got plenty of room. Okay, another stock that actually triggered today was the Acrx. Okay, this triggered a low from $3.07 to $3.10. Okay, and we managed to close at the high of the day. Okay, $3.46 with a high of $3.47. Okay, our target one was met at $3.25. We should hit our target of $3.50 tomorrow. I think that we may test that 370 mark tomorrow. Okay, if you notice here, okay, this stock is in a reversal. Okay, so just a beautiful move here for traders that took this trade here from the small caps. Okay, the next one is Ibio. Okay, it did have a nice high of 95. Since then, it's pulling back. So watch that retrace down to this 80, 85 level for rinse and repeat. Okay, moving on to the options. Okay, just a beautiful move here on the LinkedIn. Okay, it gave us an opportunity to enter as low as 191, and we actually hit a high of 199. So just a beautiful scalp opportunity on the LinkedIn. I do feel that the LinkedIn will test this 210 level. Okay, this is the weekly chart. You got a beautiful channel over here. So it is holding this channel and a potential rounded bottom. So this is giving opportunity to still enter the LinkedIn trades. Okay, the Bbby, Alibaba, okay, ticker symbol BABA, okay, gave a beautiful entry at 80.90. Okay, then we hit that high of 88.96. And if you notice here, you got that bullish flag pattern. Again, I do feel we're going to test this gap fill here at that 95, 97 level. Okay, so I do feel that this stock is setting up. So just watch any pullback here for re-entry within this channel. Okay, the next one is DDDD, ticker symbol DDDD, 3D Systems. As mentioned, I told traders not to panic. I told traders to enter at these lows. We saw a beautiful move. These contracts went from 23 cents to $1.02 today. I do feel there's a big continuation and a potential test of this 28 level. So I don't think this is done by any chance. Okay, I think we're gonna have a nice reversal here into that 3-day weekend or that Memorial Day weekend. Okay, the SPY. Okay, we mentioned that 213 level, that 212.80 to 213 on that short opportunity. It gave us an opportunity to enter as high as 213.57 for some puts. Okay, we're looking for this channel trade here. Okay, down to that 210.50 level. Okay, just a beautiful trade for those traders that traded the calls. Okay, locking profits on the way up. The Twtr. Okay, this was a stock that hit that 36.90 right at that level where we sent it out this afternoon. And now what we're looking for is that potential test of 38.30 and a potential target of 40. So the Twtr looks extremely well. Another stock that we talked about, the FOBO, fake out breakout, was the Bed Bath & Beyond. Okay, we told traders that, you know, this was pretty much a fake trade. Okay, it is in a little bit of a bullish flag pattern, but I do think that this stock will test and kiss this level and come right back down to the 72 level. Okay, so it gave us an opportunity to enter as high as 74.10, and today we saw a $2 drop down to 72.73. Just a great trade, okay, on the Bed Bath & Beyond. Okay, so that's about it. I have a couple of trades that actually triggered on the OTCs, okay, and also on the small caps and the options. So if you want to know what those trades are, just join radiosilentplay.com. Okay, we're also offering one-on-one mentorships. You know, you can call me during the trading hours, just set an appointment. We're also doing webinars on Sunday nights, and a new mobile app, an Apple iOS coming out, where the setups are sent out to you real time as soon as they trigger. So, you know, we don't give out alerts, but we just give out best setups. And I noticed there's a lot of social media out there, you know, where they just throw you out tickers and they don't even give you any kind of situated plan. So that's what we bring our members. Okay, so I just want to thank everybody for the loyal support. If you have any questions, comments, just comment down below. Okay, if you want to like or dislike this video, just comment, dislike, or like the video. And if you have any questions, just email me at radiosilentplay@gmail.com. Have a good night, everyone.